Hello, my people. Welcome again to Glatory. Today, I brought you homemade marshmallow recipe. This is another easy recipe you can make on your own. Are you the one that craves too much for marshmallow? Worry no more. This recipe is good for you. Very easy to follow, and you can make your homemade marshmallow. Most important thing is that you are sure of what is inside it. So please watch to the end and see all the steps. So first of all, I'm gonna be greasing my bowl. So I'll be using this bowl, glass bowl, for setting my marshmallow. So you can use any bowl of your choice as a mold for it. Okay, I will dust it with icing sugar. So the essence of doing this is to help the marshmallow not to stick so that it can easily come out. Yes. So now I added 1 cup of water and 1.5 cup of sugar. So I will keep stirring it until all the sugar are dissolved. So you have to keep stirring it so that it doesn't burn until everything comes clear. So on this recipe, I will guide you through step by step on how you can get it right. Okay, it's not complicated, it's so easy. Here I added my cornstarch. So I'll be listing out the right measurement of the ingredients that I use for this recipe on my description. Please feel free to check it out. So remember, you have to continuously stir the mixture so that it doesn't burn. So at this time it's already boiling. Now I'll be adding my gelatin. So this is my gelatin. I mix it with just normal water. So I added it, and because you have to add it when it's already boiling, so I will make sure it dissolves inside. So you can see, because of the gelatin, it started forming. So now I'm already reducing the heat. So I'll pour it inside my mixer. So it's important to use a good mixer for this, because the more it mixes, the more the marshmallow will come out very silky. Okay, when you are mixing it, you need to be patient because it takes quite a long time for it to come out like this. So I'm just giving you every detail so that you don't be discouraged. So through the process you will see. Then I added my flavor. I use this vanilla flavor with milk flavor inside. So as you can see, it looks so good, very creamy. So now I'll be pouring it inside my mold. So if you can make your own marshmallow, why do you need to buy? Make it for your children and you will thank me later. So it's important to make your own thing and you're sure of what is inside. So remember, if you can do it, why do you need to buy? Why don't you make it? So now it's ready. I will dust it again with icing sugar. The essence of dusting it is also to avoid it sticking. So I will dust it and let it cool for 2 hours. You don't need to refrigerate it. Just cover it and set it aside and you are good to go. So here, after 2 hours, I will take it out from the mold. You can see, very stretchy and it looks good. So you have to cut it according to your choice, depend on what you want. So first I need to dust it in order to avoid it sticking on anything. So slice it according to your choice, depend on the shape you want it. Whoa, you can see it came out so well, very stretchy. See my marshmallow, and it tastes so yummy. So remember, you can do it. Just give it a try. Just follow the steps and you will get it right. So now I'll be putting them on my tray. So I need to dust the edges again. Just dust it and put it on the tray. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching my video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Subscribe, it will not cost you anything. Subscribe. Like, love my video, comment. Please comment and share my video so that others will learn. Okay, don't keep it to yourself. Watch, comment, like, love, and please share. Thank you so much. You can see my marshmallow. Follow the steps and you will get it right and do the same. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.